This is literally the easiest way to style your curtain bangs. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I know that I have made some curtain bang videos in the past, and I will say that those ways are relatively easy, but I think that this way to style your curtain bangs are definitely the easiest way. And because everyone's short for time, let me just show you this little guy. This is literally the easiest way to style your curtain bangs. That is how I styled my hair today. Just a little bit of backstory. If you don't know, I am a hairstylist. About 3.5 years ago, I stepped away. I started a photography business. My life kind of went crazy. I had 2 babies. My mom passed away after she battled cancer, and that's really sad, but now we're shifting and I've decided to go back to work in a hair salon. So if you're interested in a hair appointment, I'd love to see you. I'll leave a link in the description below. And here is my hair Instagram handle if you want to follow me. So this little guy right here is, I think, about $70 on Ulta or Amazon or whatever. I actually did a review video comparing this one and the Revlon one with a friend of mine. And you know what? The Revlon one died on her, so I would just say get the Hot Tools one, okay? This is how I styled my hair today. I'm going to work this afternoon, and I just, wanted a nice fresh like blowout because I haven't done that in a while, and I was like, why haven't I made a YouTube video talking about how easy this is to style your hair and get like this blowout look with this tool. Ton of shed hair in here because I'm losing it because I'm a mom and going through postpartum hair loss. Anyway, all right, before I show you like the really easy way to do it, I'll tell you how I prepped my hair, and then I'll give you a demonstration. Even though my bangs look so nice, I'm gonna do it for the video. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So I got out of the shower and I prepped my hair with my heat protection, my hairdresser's invisible oil, and then I cocktailed these because I'm trying this out and I've had this for a while, so I'm trying to use it up. It's like a repair blow dry lotion, and I mixed it with a styling cream from Moroccan Oil. I have never really been a huge fan of Moroccan Oil products, but I'm trying this out. I think it did all right. And then for my hold product, I'm trying this Oribe Volume Mist, and my new salon now carries Oribe, so hello. And this actually, I feel like if you're familiar with like Bumble and Bumble thickening spray or other thickening sprays, this is kind of similar. I feel like it has a little bit more grip than the Bumble and Bumble thickening spray, but I feel like it gives me enough hold that it like holds this shape. Like I haven't done anything else other than use this tool to get this kind of blowout look. That looks good, okay. I'd be happy with that. So I'm gonna show you how I do it real quick, and hopefully it doesn't completely mess up my hair because I have to go to work later. And then I'll finish with my texturizing spray, and that's it, okay? Really quick video, really easy. I just thought, I'm doing this for work, I might as well do it for YouTube too. Okay, here we go. Same as the last tutorial I did with the hairbrush and blow dryer, you just roll your hair backwards, and even on the side, you just take it and keep rolling it, and keep rolling it, and keep rolling it, and keep rolling it. Because this does get really hot, I don't recommend like leaving it on your hair because you will either burn your scalp or you'll burn your hair off. So make sure you're using a heat protection. The end. That's literally it. That's it. My last how to style curtain bangs was with a brush and a blow dryer, and this one I was like, you know what? This is definitely easier than that, so I just need to make another video about it. So here you go. That's it. That's all I did. So my hair was completely wet. I didn't even I just towel dried it. I don't have another blow dryer to do a rough blow dry, which is one downside to this tool, is that you can't really like rough dry with it, and I love to rough dry. But the benefit to that is if you rough dry your hair and you tend to have frizzier hair, it's gonna make your hair like harder to smooth down. So it might take a little bit longer to go from wet to dry, but I feel like it got my hair pretty smooth, and really my goal was to get nice curtain bangs. And because my hair is curly and it's a little humid today, they'll probably like flip even more as the day goes on. But I'm okay with that because it kind of goes with like the shag kind of hairstyle that I have right now. So we're gonna finish off with the Oribe Dry Texturizing Spray. And I must say, this hair product is rivaling my beloved Beach Club. Okay, I didn't think that I would like another texturizing spray more than my Beach Club, but I think I might. I'm just doing a little bit because this stuff is pretty intense. And I don't want to like completely ruin my fresh, clean hair. And that's it. Look at that. Woo! Woo! Love it. That's all I got for you today. If you're new here, I'm Becca. Please consider subscribing before you leave and make sure to go follow my hair Instagram page. And if you are on the East Coast of the United States, maybe you want to stop into the salon, get your hair done, okay? We can have a little chit chat, okay? All right, that's it. I gotta go to work. Bye.